In this video, I will show you the 5 most paid YouTube niches / categories where you can make the most money in 2022. You know, you can make something like that. Or that. Yup. Those numbers are very real, I'm not kidding, and I'm also gonna tell you the names of those channels later in the video. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, I'm not doing this again. Now I want to talk real quick about the details. I mean, how is it possible to make more money than someone else that got the same amount of views with you? What is the key that changes that? By the way, if you want to skip this part and go immediately to the parts that I say the categories, there you go. You can skip to this time, but then don't be mad at me if you miss something important. Like, I don't know. Just saying. Now the key here is the CPM and the RPM rates. But what are the CPM and the RPM rates? In case you don't know, the CPM rate is the how much money the advertiser pays YouTube for 1000 views. And the RPM rate is how much money you get after the YouTube's cut. It's 45%. And basically the RPM rate shows us how much money we will make from that video for 1000 views. For example, if a channel has $2 RPM, that means that this channel or that video will make $2 for every 1000 views. And if that video or channel gets 100,000 views, that means that video or that channel will make $200. By the way, those categories that I'm gonna show in a bit, you can make way more than $2 for sure. Like you can go for 10x maybe. And also in this video I'm talking about only the ad revenue, so you can still make money with affiliate links or with sponsorships. Those are other things and topics for other videos, but in this video I'm only talking about the ad revenue that you can make with Google AdSense. So now let's see our categories. So the first category is real estate. Probably you were waiting for it. There are a lot of examples on YouTube that made success by talking about real estate, and the biggest example here is Graham Stephan. He makes over $1 million from YouTube in a year, hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, and the CPM rate of the real estate category is pretty high, as you can see. Oh, by the way, one of the screenshots that you saw at the beginning of the video was from Graham Stephan. So what you need to do in this niche, in this category, is to teach people about real estate, teach beginners, teach people who want to know about real estate. I mean, obviously to do this category you need to know about real estate. But what are the CPM and the RPM rates in this category? Well, I can't tell you exact numbers like you will make $10.69 for every 1000 views you will get. But after all the calculations that I have done, your RPM rate will be somewhere around $17 to $20. The second category that you can make pretty good money is e-commerce. If you don't know what e-commerce is, it's basically selling products through the internet, online, making money online by selling products like dropshipping, Amazon FBA, eBay, or selling your own t-shirt products, your merch. You must have seen people on YouTube making videos like I tried dropshipping for 1 week and then they show you the results they made. Those kind of videos have really high CPM rates like $50. And you know, you can teach people about e-commerce or you can do challenges. As I said, like you can try fun stuff, you can try making money yourself and post this as a video, which I do have a video like that on my channel where I tried Shopify dropshipping for 1 week, so if you want, you can watch that video too. So basically e-commerce is making money online through selling products, and it's a quite popular thing at the moment because we have coronavirus in our lives and everybody wanna make money online from their homes. So this is an opportunity to start on this. Of course, you can't just start because it pays well. You need to know about this stuff, you need to provide value. You can't say bullshit to your audience, like, that's the friendly advice. The third category is making money. This is a general category that you can cover a lot of things. Basically, you show people how to make money, ways of making money both in real life and online, like my channel. I teach people how to make money, I show different ways, both online and in real life, and I'm trying to do this in an entertaining way. For example, if you want to make a video in this category, you can make like a challenge video where you try to flip stuff in real life, like you can buy smartphones for a cheaper price and then sell them for a higher price and flip phones and make a video about it, which you will make money both from the flipping side hustle and from the YouTube. And making money is quite popular, like it's something that everybody wants, and so this category is quite popular. An example of this category is Financial Wolf or Bia Heza, which one of the screenshots, the second screenshot was Bia Heza's. Their channels is about making money, about finance, and they make challenges, they try to make money or they show ways of making money and they share the results with us. And for this category you don't need to know something specific unlike the other ones, because if you know photography, if you make money through photography, you can show people how to make money with photography, or if you make money with something else, with a website, you can show that. So it's not very specific and it's easier to start. And the CPM rate in this category can range from $20 to $40. Basically your RPM rate will be $13, $15 and higher. The fourth category category is stock market. If you don't know about the stock market, it's basically about the cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the company stocks like Tesla, Amazon, and more. And there are endless things that you can talk about, which of course you need to know what you're talking about. You can't say bullshit again, because the cryptocurrencies and the stock market is always changing and there are always things to talk about. Like if it goes super high, you can make a video about it, or if it goes super down, you can still make a video about it. And the biggest example here is Andre. He makes videos about the stock market, about the cryptocurrencies. He basically shares what he knows. He teaches how to invest your money, how you can retire at age 30. On this topic, you can also make videos about day trading or Roth IRA, which this is something that I hear quite a lot, and the only thing that I remember, which I don't really know what it is. Yeah, anyways, the RPM rates for this category is somewhere around $20. So the fifth and the final category is personal finance. This is quite an important and valuable category because students that are gonna finish their schools, they don't know about personal finance. They don't know how to pay taxes, about mortgages, about insurances, and if you know about those things, you can teach them. I mean, they don't usually learn those things on school, so they will search about this. So if you know about this stuff and you can teach them, you should. I mean, that's something I personally search for. I mean, I know I'm still 16, but I search for these things because I know that I'm gonna need them. I need to know those things. Like, I will pay taxes, I will have mortgages, maybe insurances. Like, I need to know these things, and I know that I'm not gonna learn these things in school, so YouTube is the best option. It's free, and when I say free, like, people will watch your videos for free and you will be making money with the ad revenue, so it's a win-win situation. And the RPM rate is quite good, we can say. It's around $7 to $10. So that was it in this video. Thank you so much if you made it so far. Here's a video where I try Shopify dropshipping for 7 days as a complete beginner. If you're interested, if you wanna have some fun, you can watch that video too. So see you over there, I guess. Bye bye.